Okay, now that we have the base price figured out, the next thing we want to do is to figure out the extras. So if sunroof, for instance, and the sequence of these is not terribly important since they just have to be checked each one, although there is a sequence for the convertible. We want to do the convertible last. We'll come to that later. Sunroof equal to y. Then extra price is equal to, now this is going to look a little strange, but I'm going to set it equal to extra price, and I'm going to add in the sunroof cost, which is $15.99 and 99 cents. The next thing that happens is that we want to end that if and start another if for the leather seats. And see if it's been chosen. And if it has been chosen, we want to use this statement here. We'll just copy it and set it in here. But the price is different. It's let's see, for leather seats it was $11.99 and 99 cents. And then we'll end that if. Now we've gotten two of them done. The reason we've chosen to use one-tailed simple ifs in sequence here is because they could choose sunroof and leather seats. So if we had said else if in here, it wouldn't have allowed us to add up the two choices. As opposed to when they did the car model, we did use a case structure because they could only choose one model. They were exclusive choices. These are not exclusive choices. So the next thing that we want to do is to continue this process and ask about custom speakers. And we still have that in there, so we'll paste in the statement extra price equals extra price plus $5.99.99, and then end if. And we're doing the extra price equal to extra price plus $5.99 or whatever. That again is maybe somewhat confusing when you first see it. You want to read that as the new extra price is equal to the old extra price plus some amount. If you read it that way, it makes more sense. The receiving end, remember, on an assignment statement is on the left. So whatever answer that you get on the right will be stored in the variable, in this case, on the left, extra price. And including the extra price on the right in the equation means that we're going to take the old value of extra price, the existing value, and add something to it to get a new value for extra price. Okay, then after custom speakers we have if retract child seat is equal to y. Then for a retractable child seat it was $7.99.99. Okay, and the last one was for a convertible, and we've saved this for last on purpose. You'll see why in a minute. If convertible equals y, then we're going to set again the extra price equal to for convertible is $2,050 for some weird reason. Now instead of saying end if here, you recall that if they had chosen all of sunroof, leather seats, custom speakers, and retractable car seat, that there was going to be a special rate for that combination, and the customer was going to save $400. But it wasn't true if they were to choose convertible, and for good reason. The sunroof is not available on a convertible. So since we're asking here and we know that convertible has been chosen, we can say else, and this will be the case if convertible was not chosen. And in here we can ask then if roof, sunroof equal to y, and leather seats equals y, and custom speakers equals y. And so if it's not a convertible, and that would be in the else here, and the customer selected all four of those, sunroof, leather seats, custom speakers, and retractable child seat, then we're going to set extra price equal to $37.99.99 or 96, and that way the customer will save $400. Okay, and then we also want to let them know that. So we're going to output some message. You are receiving a special there's the message in there. Again, you don't have to worry about word wrap, and I'm not going to bother to indent here. But I did indent the output statement where it started, so it's starting in the right place. And that if statement then would have to be ended. The if statement for the convertible would need to be ended. And then we would want to set total car price equal to base price plus extra price. And that would be an end if for the if statement that we probably have already forgotten about, the one up here that asked if the sunroof were equal to y and the convertible is equal to y. This was never ended. This was ended. All of these single one-tailed simple ifs were ended, and this convertible was ended, and the nested if statement inside the false branch of that convertible test was ended. Everything was ended except for that beginning if statement. So now we have an end if for it.